Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get help from Snapchat about the lost Snapstreaks. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Next, select gear button and then scroll until you can find I lost my Snapstreak. Now, choose the option which best describes your issue. And that's it. This is how you can find what you can do about your lost Snapstreak. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.